Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will study how to check module of an inverter. Either it is short or it is okay. Sometimes we give supply to the inverter without knowing that it is short. For repairing purpose, we must know that how to check generally without the gates either operating or not if we connect, because if we connect to the short module, the supply, input supply, it will cause a serious blast, either module blast or serious short circuiting, which may either cause damage to the electronics parts, electronics board, and any other thing which may not repair after that such blast. So we will study how to check the module of an inverter. First we must know about the inverter. We are checking here inverter of Mitsubishi with 5.5 kilowatt, which is 3 phase and having an input supply of 440. So we must check it before we connecting it input power supply of 440 volts. So here is our diodic behavior meter. We must put it on diode. The symbol must be on the diode so that we can check the generally and in simple words from the outer side without knowing about the gates. Is it okay or is it faulty? So here we connect the meter. You must know about the readings. So there is a meter so that you can read. In every inverter there must be a DC supply, positive and negative. Positive supply is shown with the letter P. P positive, P1. There is a jumper and a negative. So we put negative probe on the positive and check on the outputs of the inverter, inputs and the outputs. Input supply 3 phase RST and output supply is UVW. So here we check, it's 330. Again it must be equal or else with a slight difference. If there is a difference is huge, either it is open or it is 00, short means without reading is short, then that phase of the inverter module is short. Now we put it on the positive probe, red probe on the negative side of the inverter. Now we repeat the same thing. Either it is short, there are RS, T, its input supply where we give 3 phase input supply. Now its output U, V and W. Is a simple method to check an inverter. Either its module is short or okay for repairing purpose. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.